yini baby like ngelanguage yakho
emoranziwa sho
ngicela ungangibizi ngomama ne ungibize ngomaranziwa I mean makangangibamba ubani uzongipotopotoza
keep it skipper sorry keep it skipper okay out of 10 yeah judging by ukhuluma
out of 10
yeah
okay surely 8
bafethu ansadlula 5 it's a type
ama hard labor ngithola
mina sengifila offended asibeni siya keba
out early checks you turn off
I
guess they are two.
Yeah.
If like you're so loyal and all that, why are you single?
Why ngisingile?
Okay, yasho bafethu ubani uDeni London umaswiti izinto ezimnandi welcome back to Find Your Match episode 2. Unfortunately besingake sidrophele nyokuqala ngizile kulenye besidrophile bengipasta ngithi second episode bafethu ayida azikhipanga ngiyabona izange yaphela kahle so no I hope umunye uzothola umunye nani bafethu seniyacava ngizocala ngobani cala ngomjida feeling ngayuze introduce
afiri bafethu danko yeah igama ubest
anezo best bafethu the best
ibuye Taurus intala bafethu kasilabo Cleve
Kaslam ngelo netho box Taurus ngizokutshela ngekaslam ifini ngitshela kunolandani la ngitho sisiza ngayikuyo ngwanyana
afere bafethu mina ngoHajera well known as Oledi Makaveli from Esneva yeah
Sniva nzwile ne so bafethu banda khistitha local ama freedom siphela nje and then yacava yikhambani seza abanye bathandana abanye bazondana abanye bayenze nani so bafethu yini since vele sinizintroduce yacava igama lakhe nacava igama lakhe nongizoyenzani ngizonika only 5 minutes ngizonika only 3 minutes ngiyabo then nizokhuluma nina noyithu ngibona ukuthi khambani then mangibuye nizongitshela feel ukuthi khambani nani yabo ngiready mos
yes ready mara sikhuluma ngakho
asinizocavana yabo ready mos manyana
yeah
feel it mina bafit ama voice abephezulu nini
okay
right danko
ngaqala fere
anobana ngayicala la ne
okay anyways based on yo angazi ukuthi wayithi why ngithi ngaqala guys nashame I suck at isiZulu ne that's not my language so mangipasta ngixolele nje yabo so anyways mina ngina 21 feel yabo ene ngiyumshoza yabo
sure
so
isho phela singisheza lophatha amakapela
oh well obviously bengakaqedi bengiseza la feel yabo yeah although nami njengoba sekashilo yabo umunye ubhuti ukuthi hey ngisho ukuthi angisila baphatha amakapela feel yabo wonke umuntu ongazi uyazi ukuthi ayangaze ngazidala empilweni owakaze wezwa bathi mina ngishaye usibani feel yabo so yeah anyways angizithanda into eziphumile you see and yeah and like man guys not to change
oh best
yangabe
I'm
man
out
yeah bafethu afeli mina nginsoko no angumchito grand line
nangaki
na 23 yeah ngiyawuthi ngincanywa nayo blind futhi ngithola
wena
yeah ngibuza kanti mthetho
inkinga no yazi wonke umuntu ohlezi abreka ngokuthi uyathandana and all that like ngizothini mawumgaya i-chance ne like uvela ubona ukuthi hayi ke player and all that abo yeah
abantu abafani bafana namalanga ngithola ngitsheliva khona amajitano othando abanjenga
njengabo
Ngeke mina ngifuna umuntu okavayo ukuthi ufunane empilweni.
Although
because nami ngiyacava ukuthi ngifocus eva.
Uyazi ukuthi ufocus eva.
Yeah.
If like you're so loyal and all that, why are you single?
Why ngisingile? Obvious mfethu ngibonile ukuthi ngisamela umuntu right for me.
Mawuzwazi kanjani
ukuthi
umuntu right.
mase sigane chance obvious ngokuya ngesikhathi sengizobona ukuthi lo muntu lo unothando kangakanani yabo manje wena prefer ukuba nayo senjani
Oh well, anyways for me nani guys indoda mele ibe mnyama tu indoda mele ibe mnyama mele ibe mnyama ene kwamele ibe nde kunami yebo cause ngeke ngithola nomuntu like
yabo at least 2 points
yebo
2 points
kwamele guys like akwazi ukusula man it doesn't have to be amanike nani as long as akwazi ukusula nalelo phoko la si phepho li kind as long as I need yebo
ayikhululeka ubhudo yakeza nje and then uyasula yabo
uyasula
awuyaza
nalokho sikuzwa ngobhuti yabo asikwazi
awubhuti clean nami ngiyambona
ubhudo clean unokuba nekhuluni ungakhohle kumtshela ukuthi
nangathi ngisiphakathi kamnandi
okay guys maybe amakhala wami uplockekile or something
awuzwe next
no I can't smell anything guys or maybe mele ngenwe iflu
maybe ngathola ukuthi bakubekele fair nami uzuza ukuthi hayi umjito unoka fresh
so yeah what type of girlfriend are you looking for
mina mfethu njengoba ngishila yabo ngifuna ugelo focused yabo
umina multi focused
ngifuna ugelo ocavayo ukuthi ukusasa kunakusasa yimina ngithola kune future hayi umuntu ozocabangela vandag kuphela ngithola and nakhona ngifuna umuntu ocavayo ukuthi okay noma sika ku relationship uyayicala la yedingahle yabo ufocused kuyo userious ngayo ngoba isikhathi sokudlala mfethu siphelile manje sesibheke impilo ngithola
popo asibheke impilo bafethu asibonga sithola ufaka ama gunshots lapha pa sibheke impilo
okay
sengicedile ngazingena
and akumela ngabe mubi mfethu kamele sicabangela abantwana
abantwana kenze ukuthi umuntu abe movie azale abantwana abahle
ayimele afane nomzali
kumele afane ngabazali
hayibo manje ngitshela ukuthi ngitshela ukuthi like wena ufana abazali bakho kwethu
mina ngifana noMaoledi
ufana noMaoledi
yeah ezinye izinto nethami yabo lapho nalapho ngikho ngisho ukuthi kwamele sicabangela
abantwana guys nizile sicabangele abantwana ngizingene mos
yeah ngazingena futhi
ngihleli kahle mos
yes
ngoba ink okay bafethu ngikhulumile senacabana for sure man mina bengi-expect abo what's your favorite color
yeah siyabo like bengifuna ukubuza yabo so I thought ukuthi maybe ngavele yabo yes
ngene kakhulu okay ngicale ngobani ngibuze bani losishame ngiqale komjito ngicala ngayo judging by the way likhulume ngakhona fili like mobhekile type yakho
oh well ne thingithi
okay asithi okay the out of 10 yeah judging by ukhuluma
out of 10
yeah
okay surely 8
bafethu ansadlula 5 it's a type okay manje macala wena judging by the way ngikhulume ngakhona mobhekile uyugedi fili or
ngimkathene nawe yezwe fana ukuthi
asithi ngakombona popo neza bafethu sayangena ama point ngapha nangapha nje
le voice yakhe yangididaza kangisaba nokusmile
sithole siyashadisa next week and ngiceda nokuthenga isuti
ubatshele bathu
yabangena so ngathi it's a match 8-10 now type yakho mama
yeah
type ne
the type
type bafethu niyabona before babonana type ifili so like wena like yamfuna ukhetha inguzo ngifuna umjita utouch na like explain i-type yakho fili
well like angasho ikhona ntombazana engayifuni like i-outi etouch
wena ufuna i-outi njani
like ngiyabuza
ngazi khona abanye abantwana bakutshela ukuthi hayi mina mangibamba
oh well mina angithanda ukubanjwa yabo Mara when it comes to my boyfriend, oh man, like indoda kwamele bethathe man. I mean makangangibamba ubani uzongipotopotoza. Like
awuyezwa ke.
I thingeni move on ngiyashisa. Keep his keeper sorry. Keep his keeper mara ay.
Umzulu mama athufuna ukudleliswa ngezandla.
Ay
thinta.
Khona bogela bangathanda ukubizwa ngabo mama.
Oh well. Kunokuthi ngibizwe mama si queen and all that. I'd rather be called mama, you know. Yeah. Especially by Zulu chant. So ngikhohlwe nokubuza ukuthi what language do you speak?
Akhululeka mina nabalabo.
Okay. Yini baby like ngelanguage yakho?
Emoranziwa sho ukuthi.
Ngicela ungangibizi ngomama ne ungibize ngoMranziwa.
Yebo.
Mina sengready nje mina bafethu kuzoba yimi host yala kuzoba yimi MC sengizosho ngizoba mfundisi kuzoba yonke into kulo mshado la ngiyase mina viyasmineza nenza igawula bafethu nakhaya ngiyasho kuphela
hlanga makhananasi
ngiyakala intala le bafethu nemuza thi okay ne so thingenze kanje ne lithi isandla sakho awe sakho esikhulu esincane sifanele mbamba ulbrush nje ungamphuli mbambe
Ngabira. Okay, what's the point of that though?
Ufuna kufile yabo kona ezinye izandla zehowa futhi kumele abe nezandla ezinice.
Okay.
Ana
I'm the soft shame.
No yenza ukuthi ayilisi masengakuthi sikubamba ukhatheke nje yabo
izandla zama massage
negazi lingagijima
siyabalanda siyayenza lento obvious wena isikhathi sokuthi ufile esendoda kumele sibe rough in isandla semali uze sana ngicela uze sana isemali isemali lesi yantona lesi.
Okay. Mara, you know what, me? Yours is worse. His is better. Surely lama type lawa angathanda ngenza lutho.
Yeah, mina
and indoda must work, like you must do gardening and all that. Indoda must do something. Indoda ngopanda.
Akhuleka kuya ngokuthi uphanda ngami phela. Asishaya ama hard labor. Ngithola.
Mina sengifila offended. Sibeni siya keba phethi. Like since yabona ngathini, do you think it's a match?
Yeah, it's a match, mfana.
Girl.
Emmanuel. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you explain something to me first? Like, if I'm gonna say it's a match, what's gonna happen next?
It's up to you, no, it's fun.
You know me, and like, guys, and like, man, I don't know.
Ready gumba.
Na mina ngihlezi ngiready ngizalwe ngiready ngithola.
Manje ngwanyana.
Yeah, I am ready.
Bafethu la siyashadisa. So thingba ngicela ngiyakhipha la rings ungavula amehlo ngicela ukukhipha. Awavula.
Mara iyanifele into yenzayo. Angithi uqale wabuza yena, weza kimi, wabuza mina, wabuyela kuye, wayucala ngayo ungaqali ngami because sekuyi10 yami yoku, you know.
Na okay ngicale ngikhulule.
Thank you, ladies first bed.
Mara awavula amehlo.
Yeah. Ube gentle udu.
Awungasabi izandla zingaba rough mara mina ngitshela. Phela ngada afile. Awena noma ngasusa kuphela in the count of 5 bafethu ne ngivule namehlo so ngaphela ngapha no ngaphela ngapha 5 4 3 2 1 singavula no.
Okay.
Na ungabheki mina yangazi. Ungabheki mina, ungabheka yena ungabheki mina. Ora ngathi ngiyabhayisa. Bona ngibile nosini ungabheki mina. Ungabheki mina. Ngibheke.
Okay.
Nakho sibheke.
Sibheke
mbuke emehlweni. Uye lo muntu obocabanga ukuthi the type yakho maqala
Ngitype yakho.
nawe uyabona
angiboni
Ngitype yakho na.
yafakazisa ubufakazi awumakungavumi ukufakaza
lese yini le mina angidinathanda ngisiza ngoba awumboni
nawe uyabona i-type yami
type yakhe
Ngitype yakho. Usho kanjani?
ziningi izinto engachaza ngazo
Ucounted.
uqala yabona nomshoza mfethu uzongiprotecta lo muntu yangithola
bheka bambelaka sebalanda
Elvis too.
baby smile
flasha phela noma camera
uyibamba kuwe muntu angithola ziningi izinto engazisho ngayo mfethu ngam-compliment akuze kube kusasa uje sazabo yangithola
yes
Okay. Yazi ne, the times sikhuluma ne, si blindfolded ne. Like azangizwe nokuthi like i-trip is favorable. And awuthi i-trip is i-turn off. I guess layer two.
sithi bengataka
Layer 2 engayifakanga. No, layer 2 engayifakanga. I-trip is.
ngingafidi
awuyeke ichepisi uzoba 10 out of 10 ngacala yakhe
futhi ngiyikho ngithole 8 yabo
abekakufile
Ngiyafika.
Bluetooth nespeaker lesabumadala
Bluetooth mode.
ngitshela
ngisazi ngithini manje ndoda
izile match since senibonana it's a match bafethu mina senga if basaba ukukhuluma mina ngikhuluma it's a match bafethu angithi
No, it's not.
kanjani manje
Kanjani? When I was decided.
angathi nisaba ukukhuluma okay izile match manje morompe uyasula ugezile unuka kamnani
ngitshelile nginokikhola
Okay.
gezi
Okay.
uye kahle ukundile akafani nami faka amacica right akafani nami so
Okay. It is a match.
popo ayisithole bheka siyashadisa ikhulu manje bafethu inemshado ke
yakhuleka lezo zinto sizekela kubomama so
ndosigcoke green no sigcoke green and white
Hayibo guys, njani ngoba umshado wami like
wasogcoka white sonke sibe ngathi siyingilusi
ngathi uyamphendulela
mina bafethu yimi i-foundation le relationship so
Icala uwe like how
ngithelo ngizokhulunywa la ningifake nami emshadweni bafethu mina ngizoba ngibhekeze egawula ngiyacaba ngibhekeze egawula phela so afuna ngumtshela something before sivala or ngumtshela something before si rapper
mina mfethu into engizoyisho ukuthi ngibonga wena kahle kahle before ngifuka kuya ngithola kanjani enza umsebenzi oright nabanye ubalungisele kanje
angizolungisa nje fixing the country bafethu if wena vele bayagabha endleleni abahlangani netype yakho wena texta le number evela yi ezansi maybe nawuzozitholela itype yakho njengobest because last nomunye lo leyasegana lesithola ithola itype yayo nayo ne yabo mina bafethu ngilungisa country ningivoteleni London for president silungisa country so manyana anything or
engisho kubani?
ngini nogaya ngithi nami
Oyisho kimi.
acala kimi ke
So guys, nasho mathibani angazi ukuthi ngithini feel.
ngantwana suthu njani okunini ngithandazela umsuthu njani
hayi mina ngugod
mfana kholela acafa mabathi kuyawahada muntu
ngomtshela
ngizwe ngathi ngajive njalo
ngikumbona jive
bawami
Mama ngakutshela uzosijive.
ngijive phambi kwamakamera ngizokujivela grand sithu
mina ngibuki
phela wena so besingasakufaki kwezinye izinto angithi
okay bafethu niyabona bayenzana okay bafethu
Ngiyabona uyenzana.
Nyambona wenzana okay bafethu yangikhipha intangane ende ngumsizile mina for ukuthi azitho asikho la ngumsizile mina lo muntu lo ne manje uyangijikela ne nani niyabona bafethu ningakhohlwa kwenzani ukusubscribe like ushare ne-share button lapho
Because bani ukuthi na ungathola imatch yakho njengoba nami ngitholile yami.
ngitshela abatshele basubscribe
bafethu nenzeni phela lapho
izinto zakho uthi subscribe futhi like ushe notification button. Next time asithi pano sithole ngenye video asiyakufakela imessage uyabona sesidrophile we signing out. Thank